find the volume of this triangular prism. Well, we know that the volume for any prism is equal to the area of the base times the height. Well, the area of our base is going to be 1/2 the base of our triangle times the height of the triangle. And this height in the volume formula is talking about the height of the prism. So the height of the triangle and the height of the prism are completely different values. So let's start by figuring out the height of our triangle. So let's draw that over here. So we're told that the whole base is of length 8, and we have 8.5 meters for both sides. And the reason why I know that this right side of this triangle is 8.5 is because it's given to us at the very end here. And then we're told the entire length of this base is 8. Well, when we drop the altitude down, or the height of a triangle down to an isosceles triangle, it splits the base into 2 congruent or equal pieces. So instead of writing 8 for all the way across, I can split it into 4 and 4, which does add up to 8. And now we can use Pythagorean Theorem to find the height of our triangular base. So we have 4 squared plus the height of our triangle squared is equal to 8.5 squared. Well, 4 squared is 16, plus the height of our triangle squared is equal to 72 and 25/100ths. And then if we subtract 16 from both sides, we find out that the height of this triangle squared is equal to minus 16, 56 and 25/100ths. And if we square root both sides of this, we will get the height of this triangle. So let's square root this number, square root of this answer, and that's 7.5. Okay, so we have 7.5 meters as the height of this triangle. So next, we can calculate the area of our base. The area of our base is equal to 1/2 times 8 times the height that we just found, 7.5. Well, half of 8 is 4, and 4 times 7.5 is 30. Because 7.5 times 2 is 15, and if we double 15, we'll get 30. So we have 30 square meters for the area of our base. And now we can find the full volume of this. So the volume is equal to the 30, which is the area of our base, times the height of our prism, which is 12. And if we multiply 30 times 12, we get 360 cubic meters, or answer choice B.